Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter Facebook Video Marketing Basics. In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating a video page on Facebook. Let's get started. Marketing on Facebook is best when you have your business Facebook page set up on the platform. It's not recommended to upload promotional videos on your personal Facebook account. Personal accounts are meant to be used for connecting with your friends, family, and colleagues. It's best to have a separate Facebook page that is dedicated to the promotion of your business and upload videos on that page. Now let's create a Facebook page. First, you must have a personal account before you can create a Facebook page. Once you log into your Facebook personal account, click on the Create button in this section. On this drop-down menu, you have the option to create a page, an ad, a group, an event, sell items, or raise money for a cause. Let's choose Page. This is the area where you can create a Facebook page. You can create a page for your business or brand, or create a page for community or public figures. Let's choose a business or brand. Under Business, you can showcase your products and services using your page. Click Get Started. Choose a name for your page and a category to describe your page. Input your address. Also, you can input your phone number here, but it's optional. Once you fill out your address, you have the option not to show your address to people. Just click this checkbox. Facebook will only show the city and state of your page. Now click this button. You can add a profile photo right away. Just upload it from your drive. If you already have a photo ready that you can use, you can add it here. Let's skip this first. Next, you have the option to upload a cover photo as your Facebook page's channel art. We do have a separate lesson where the proper optimization of your Facebook page's cover photo and logo will be discussed, so let's skip this for now. Next, you can set online bookings through your Facebook page. You can add it as you click this Add Online Booking button or click Not Now to skip it. We have successfully created a Facebook page for our business promotions. This is the best place where we can upload our video promotions to our potential audience. As you can see, our page is still empty. We can now update the information on our Facebook page. On the left side menus, click About. Your potential followers will check all the info that you will include in your page. It is important to optimize your Facebook page so that your potential followers will decide that your page has enough data to trust your brand. This is beneficial if your goal in the future is to market your product as promotions using Facebook videos. Facebook videos get more views as people prefer to grasp the message through watching videos for a few minutes. Businesses will notice the benefits once they include videos as one of their marketing strategies. You can attract potential customers, especially when promoting products that people in your niche love to see. So promote your videos on your separate Facebook business page. Now that you know about creating a video page on Facebook, we can now proceed to the next topic: write video formats and sizes on Facebook. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about write video formats and sizes for Facebook videos. Let's get started. Facebook videos are viewed at higher rates. That is why marketers need to be careful about how they upload their videos on Facebook. Marketing promotions using videos is beneficial for your business. It is crucial to be aware of what video formats are recommended to be uploaded on Facebook. Doing this will give your viewers a great experience in viewing your video and enjoy it. For regular Facebook newsfeed video, the recommended size that you need to upload is the highest resolution video available that meets the file size and ratio limits. Here's the recommended video formats and sizes. This video content is the most viewed since your followers or interested users, as suggested by Facebook, will see your video once they browse their news feed. Next, Facebook 360 video. You can see the recommended video formats and sizes here. Longer durations and larger file sizes may experience longer processing times. If the camera you use to record your video automatically includes 360 video metadata with a video file. You can upload a video like you would upload any other video. Facebook in-stream video ads. Take note of the recommended video formats and sizes here. For in-stream ads, Facebook recommends uploading the highest resolution source video available without letter or pillar boxing. Facebook provides an exhaustive list of aspect ratios and features available for each ad type. And people who watch these videos can encounter in-stream video ads like what you see in this example video. Facebook carousel video ads. Here's the recommended video formats and sizes. Carousels let you showcase up to 10 images or videos in one ad, without having the user to navigate to a new page. For best results, use a pixel square 1:1 video. Include no more than 20% text and images, otherwise, you may experience reduced delivery. Every social media platform may have different recommended formats and sizes that they allow to be uploaded on your social media accounts, especially for videos. On Facebook, there are different ways you can promote your videos on the platform. You cannot use one format and size for all of them. Knowing the right video formats and sizes for Facebook videos will help you deliver your videos to your viewers properly. That way, they will enjoy high-quality videos that you are promoting, and you'll get more video views and engagements. Now that you know about right video formats and sizes for Facebook videos.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.